Adila Jahan. I am studying in 9th class. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. As my topic on solar system, it is a very interesting representation to show how our planets revolve around the sun. The solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. First, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet and the smallest planet made up of rock. Mercury is the smallest planet, 36 million miles from the sun. Venus, the second planet from the sun, made up of stones and the hottest planet. Venus spins in the opposite direction to the most planet. Venus, the hottest and the brightest planet, 67 million miles from the sun. मेरा नाम है आदिला जहां, मैं 9वीं जमात की तौलिब इल्म हूँ। मेरे स्कूल का नाम है किड्स कॉन्वेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम है मुनज़्ज़ा ईशा, मैं 9वीं जमात की तौलिब इल्म हूँ। मेरे स्कूल का नाम किड्स कॉन्वेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल।
आज हम दोनों हज व उम्रा के बारे में कुछ मसाइल आपके सामने बताना चाहते हैं।
मिक़ात से हज व उम्रा दोनों का एहराम बांधकर नियत करना, उम्रे का तवाफ़ करना, उम्रे की सही करना। मिक़ात ख़त्म।
हज 8 ज़िलहज के दिन मिना की तरफ निकलना। 10 ज़िलहज बड़े शैतान को कंकरे मारना।
सूरज गुरूब होने के बाद मगरिब पड़े बगैर मुज़दलिफ़ा जाना। मुज़दलिफ़ा पहुँचकर इशा मगरिब और इशा जमात के साथ पढ़ना। शाले स्वरूप किड्स कॉन्वेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल। तारा बेंद्रा। कवि परिचय एम.डी. के तनायन दत्ता एम बा काव्या मादिंदा प्रसिद्ध राधा दासरिया रामचंद्र बेंद्रा ಅವರು 1896 जनवरी।
Good morning. My name is Hira Kausar. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School from class 6th standard. Today I will explain about democracy. Rule of a state by the elected representative of the people is democracy. It is political system. This is a government by the people. Welfare of the people is its main aim. Important government will be run by the elected representative elected by the people. All the people are equal before the election will be held regularly and the representative govern. In democracy, the people need to take wise decision. Election.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning. My name is Aqsa Fatima and I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am presenting a very interesting story, The Ant and the Cricket. A young cricket spent the spring and summer months playing and singing with through the day when winter came. His cupboard at home was empty and he could find nothing to fill oxen. Hungry drive home dripping with to the hour of his study and seeking food and shelter. Myself Zubat Askin. I am studying in 9th standard. I welcome to our school exhibition. As you can see, my project is about solar system. I shall start some fact about solar planets. Mercury, close to the sun, 36 million miles from the sun, average temperature 750 F, no more. Venus, hottest and brightest planet, 67 million miles from the sun. Earth, only planet the substance life will live, her 93 million miles from the sun, 70% is covered with water. Mars, the red planet, 142 million miles from the sun. 1 year on Mars is 320 Earth is. Saturn, now from its ring, 886 million miles from the sun.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Tabasum Fatima. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am explaining the story The Ant and the Cricket. एक क्रिकेट गर्मी के दिन खेलने और गाने में लगा देता। जब सर्दी का महीना आता है उसके पास खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं रहता। भूख के मारे इधर उधर भटकता है और मदद मांगता है। वो चाहता है कि कुछ खाना सूखा से उधार लेगा, ना भूख से मर जाएगा। Humanity is made possible by the bones and muscles in our body. The bones and muscles in our body work together part of our body. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anam Kausar and I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today I will explain about bird skeleton. It includes various hollow bones with crisscrossing reinforcements.
My name is Mubara from class 600. Today I will explain about biological bodies. Biological bodies that the land is made of these different metals. This metal also include qualities of solid, release or powerful.
My name is Anam Kausar and I am studying in 6th standard. Today I will explain about कुतुब मीनार. कुतुब मीनार दिल्ली में एक स्थित एक ऐतिहासिक मीनार है. यह ईंटों से बनी दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी ऊंची मीनार है.
My name is Naira Zanam. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic name is satellite. मसनूई सैयारा चांद ज़मीन के कुदरती सैटेलाइट है, लेकिन अब मसनूई सैयारा ज़मीन के चक्कर लगा.
Sputnik 1 was the world first artificial satellite launched on 4 October 1957 by the Russians. Indian first artificial satellite was Aryabhat, launched on 19 March 1975. My name is Ahmad Hassan. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Shell. A shell is a device that supplies electric energy. It has two terminals, a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adnan Khan. I am studying class 6th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Now I will explain you about electric current. Switch, a device for making, breaking or changing the connection in an electric circuit. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Farhan from 6th standard. This is a project on LCM. Without any calculation we can find the LCM. Let us assume three numbers 2, 4 and 6. This is a based on the multiple. So we put it in a multiple wise. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Muhammad Junaid from 6th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I will show how to find the HCF without any calculation. We will find the HCF. We will find the HCF 10 and 15. Here we have to see the number. Divide the 10 and 15. Number 10. 2, 5 and 10. Divide the number 10. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Asif Ahmed. I am a student in 7th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic is hologram. A hologram project is a science project that uses a laser to create a 3D image of an object. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Misbah Siddiqa from class 2nd standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today my topic is preposition. Thank you.
पानी पीने के सुन्नते. नंबर 1, पानी पीने से पहले बिस्मिल्लाह कहना. नंबर 2, देख कर पीना. नंबर 3, सीधे हाथ से पीना. नंबर 4, बैठ कर पीना. नंबर 5, 3 सांस में पीना. नंबर 6, पानी पीने के बाद अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कहना. जज़ाकल्लाह.
My name is Rida. My topic name is Sunnati of drinking water. Start with Bismillah. See the water fast. Use our right hand. Sit down and drinking.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. From class 2nd standard, school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today our topic name is preposition. Good morning everyone, welcome to Science Exhibition. My name is Ahmed from first standard. Today my topic is telephone. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. He was a scientist, professor and a teacher of the knowledge of structure and function of human ear inspired him to make telephone. The trin sound of a telephone is very familiar. All of us. Telephone is a two-way table communication device. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಮರ ಫಾತಿಮಾ. ನಾನು UKG ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಭಾಗ ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊಳಗಡು 15 ಅ ಇ ಈ ಉ ಉ ರು ಎ ಎ ಐ ಓ ಓ ಔ ಅಂ ಆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕ್ಲಟ್ಲ. ನಾನು UKG ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಬ್ಲೋಸಮ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ವಿಷಯ ಭಾಗ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ವಂದನಗಳು 34. ಕ ಕ ಕ ಕ ನ ಚ ಚ ಚ ಚ ನ್ಯ ತ ತ ತ ತ ಲ ತ ತ ತ ತ ನ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಹ ಯ ಗ ಲ ವ. अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. My name is Muhammad Zainuddin. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic is shape. Circle. This is a circle. It is like a ball shape, round and round. It has no side, no corners. Thank you. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatima Begum. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic is shape. Square. This is a square. It has 4 sides, 4 corners and 4 angles. All sides are equal, like a box shape. Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naveen Fatima. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic is shape. Triangle. This is a triangle. It has a 3 sides and 3 angles. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alina Mahak. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic is shapes. Rectangle. This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 angles and 4 corners. It has 2 sides are long and 2 short. They are opposite sides and are equal. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mazia. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic is shape. This is a cone shape. It has 2 faces, 1 plain face and 1 curved face. It has like a birthday cap. Thank you. My name is Aksa Fatima. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic is shape. Slender. This is a slender. It has a 3 faces, two plain face and one curved face. It has no side, no corner. Thank you. From class UKG, my school name is Blossom Kids English Medium School. Today my topic name is Days of the Week. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Tora Zabi from class UKG. My school name is Blossom Kids English Medium School. Today my topic name is Days of the Week. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Parish Banu, I am from first standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today my topic name is sense organs are eyes. We see with our eyes. Thank you.
My name is Umar Farooq. I am studying his first standard nose to smell with our nose.
My name is Misbah. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic is sense organs. Ear with our ear. My name is Mairana. I'm from class first standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Tongue, we taste with our tongue. My name is Salizagar. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic name is sense organs, hand. We touch with our hands.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Zoya. I am studying in 7th standard and my school name is Kids Convent English Medium School and my topic name is Geometric Park. Let I start. We go to park to play, but in this playing manner we can learn something new like maths, English and science, but the most applicable subject is maths. So I have made a geometric park, a subject of maths. In this geometric park I have shown many type of quadrilateral, part of a circle, type of a angle of triangle, type of a triangle and type of a point and line. So what is part of a circle? Part of a circle are diameter, center, radius, sector, secant, arc, segment, tangent, chord.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, and my name is Imran and this is my partner Zoya. We are studying in 7th standard. Our topic name is India Gate.
इंडिया गेट स्मारक का निर्माण अंग्रेज शासन द्वारा 1931 में कराया गया था। ये 42 मीटर ऊंची विशाल इमारत नई दिल्ली के राजघाट में स्थित है। थैंक यू।
My name is Imran. I am studying in 7th standard and my school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. रियाकारी की मिसाल। इस आयत के बारे में कुरान मजीद की मुख्तसर तफसीर कुछ इस तरह है वो लोगों जो अल्लाह पर ईमान रखते हो और इसकी अजर को इस पर पकड़ करके और जिसको तुमने दिया है उसको तकलीफ ना पहुंचा को ज़ाया ना कर ऐसा करने वाला शख्स इस शख्स की तरह है जो लोगों की तरफ से दिखावा और तारीफ करने के लिए खर्च करता है।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sana Fatima. I am studying in 6th standard. My topic is projector. A projector or image projector is an optical device that projects an image or moving image or onto a surface, commonly a projection screen.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Umahani from class 6 standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic name is pinhole camera. Take 2 boxes of cardboard that one can slide into under with no gap in between them. Cut open one side of each box. On the opposite face of the larger box, make a small hole in the middle. And the smaller box cut out from the middle a square with a side of about 5 to 6 centimeter. Cover this open square in the middle a square with the tracing paper. Translation screen.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Salim Saab. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic name is स्वर और उनकी मात्राएं. Thank you.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम। गुड मॉर्निंग। मेरा नाम साहिब है। मैं 6वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं किड्स कॉन्वेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरा आज का टॉपिक है स्वर और उनकी मात्रा। थैंक यू।
की मात्रा,
आ की मात्रा,
की मात्रा, ई की मात्रा, आई की मात्रा।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। माई सेल्फ मोहम्मद इब्राहिम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। माई सेल्फ मोहम्मद फाजिल अहमद from class 5th standard. Today I am representing a geometrical city. According to some people, maths is just used for formulas and calculations which will be not ever applied in the real life, but this is wrong. Maths is a universal language and it is applied all aspects of our life. Here I am showing one of the branch of mathematics, that are geometry, with the help of geometrical shapes. So let's we take a look of our geometrical city. School building has a pentagon shape. Water funnel. The water funnel roof is circular in shape and is made of cone.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Umama Fatima from 4th standard. My topic name is hot air is lighter and rises up. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Take a candle and light.
Good morning everyone. Myself Muhammad Jawaluddin. I am studying in 9th standard. I am very glad to welcome our school exhibition. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today I am performing blood test. With your consult I can perform your blood test. First I am taking micro slides. Next I take slide device. Now the gradation happened anti-A. The blood test is A positive. Negative. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our healthcare. My name is Sheikh Yasin Ahmad. I am studying 8th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am assistant here to do your oxygen level check and your BP. If you are comfortable, allow me to check.
My checking is height weight. Height is 150. Weight is 30. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Myself Fatima Anjum and I am studying in 8th standard and our school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. We are very glad to welcome in our school exhibition. Today we are explaining about the litmus paper test. Let us understand how litmus paper test works. The main use of litmus paper is to test whether a solution is acidic or basic. As blue litmus paper turns red under acidic condition.
Today we are explaining about litmus paper. We take base
First I will take sodium hydroxide.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning. I am Javeria Mahini. We are studying in 8th standard. Turmeric is a natural indicator that change color to indicate whether a solution is acidic, basic or neutral. It's also known as a pH indicator. How it works: turmeric contains a chemical called curcumin, which is yellow in acidic and neutral solution. When turmeric is added to a
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zarayat from class 2nd standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. During our experiment, when vinegar, baking soda and soap created a chemical reaction that produced carbon dioxide gas, causing freezing and bubbles.
My name is Asim Agra. My studying in fourth standard. My school name is Convent English Medium School. My topic name is material. The material which allow light to pass through them transparent substances.
Everyone, my name is Arfa Samiha. I am studying in 7th standard and my school name is Kids Convent English Medium School and my topic name is microscope. Microscope is a great invention for a mankind and a very helpful instrument for science students, specifically botany and zoology. Botany means study on plants' body and zoology means study on both animals and humans. Let's start. This is eyepiece. It contains magnifying lens that we will look through. Core adjustment, a large knob which moves the body tube to produce large change in the focus. Fine adjustment, a large knob which moves the body tube to produce small change in the focus. Arm, it provides support for the body tube. Base, it provides support for the whole microscope. Stage, a flat surface on which the slides are placed. Iris diaphragm, regulating the correct amount of light entering a microscope. These are my two slides. One is Volvax. Volvax is a type of green algae that grow in spherical colonies and shape ball. And this is onion cell. Onion cells are very easy to prepare and onion cell have a thick outer layer. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Alfa Samia. I am studying in 7th standard and my school name is Kids Convent English Medium School and my topic name is Oplek. Oplek is a very funny and interesting properties. Oplek get its name from the doctor's first and the book called Bethlehem and Oplek because when Oplek is it funny and strange. Oplek is a special type of slime with both properties, liquid and solid. If you squeeze it, it feels solid, not liquid. Yet, if I relax my grip, it will flow through from my fingers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Muhammad Mas. I am studying 10th standard. My model name is फबिआई आलाइ रब्बिकुमा तुकज़्ज़िबान. तुम अपने रब की कौन कौन सी नेमत को झुटलाओगे. अश्शम्सु वल क़मरु बिहुस्बान. सूरज और चांद को आपस में चलने का भी जिक्र किया है. खलक़ल इंसान. इंसान को मिट्टी से पैदा किया है. अल्लमल क़ुरआन. और कुरान को रोशनी बनाकर भेजा है. मरजल बहरैनी यल्तक़ियान बैनहुमा बरज़ख़ुन ला यबग़ियान. दो नदियाँ जो आपस में कभी नहीं मिलती और नहरों का भी जिक्र किया है. वाक़िमुल वज़्न बिल-क़िस्ति वला तुक़्सिरुल मीज़ान. और तराजू का भी जिक्र किया है. फ़बिअय्यि आलाइ रब्बिकुमा तुकज़्ज़िबान का सवाल क्या है कि तुम अपने रब की कौन कौन सी नेमत को झुटलाओगे. हमें चाहिए कि अल्लाह ताला की नेमतों का शुक्र करते हुए अल्लाह की रज़ा को हासिल करें. जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर.
My topic is Cartesian coordinate. The Cartesian system is a system for declare the position of a point in a plane. The x-axis is the horizontal line and the y-axis is the vertical line. The point where the x-axis and y-axis meet is called the origin. The x-axis and y-axis divide the plane into 4 quadrant number in a anti-clockwise direction.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zishan. I am studying in 10th standard. My topic name is nuclear power plant. What is nuclear power plant? A nuclear power plant is used to make electricity using special energy is called nuclear energy. How does it work? Fuels. Special pillars are used to make energy. Heat. The pillars make heat energy. Steam. The heat makes steam. Electricity. The The steam make electricity. Important fact. Reactor. When the energy is made, cooling system keeps everything cool and safe. Protection building keeps the environment safe.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Sadia Fatima. I am studying in 10th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic name is trigonometry part. In introduction to what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is one of the branches where we learn the relationship between sides of the triangles. The word trigonometry came from Greek word tignon means triangle, metron means measure. The concept of trigonometry is presented as a ratio is called trigonometric ratio. We use this Pythagoras theorem to find the triangle. C square is equals to A square plus B square. Super hexagon is 6 sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Rimsha Ruhi. I am studying in 10th standard. There are 6 functions of an angle commonly used in trigonometry part. Name: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. The reciprocal of the opposite side and hypotenuse is known as the sin theta. Sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. मेरा नाम रिमशा रूही है.
मेरा नाम सादिया फातिमा है.
आज हमारे मॉडल का नाम शोभुल ईमान है. आज हजरत अबू हुरैरा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु से रिवायत करते हैं कि रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, अल ईमान बिज़उ व सित्तूना औ बिज़उ सबऊना शुअबतन अला ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह व अदनाहा इमाततुल अनित तरीक. ईमान की 60 या 70 शाखें हैं. सबसे अफजल शाख ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह है और सबसे अदना शाख रास्ते से तकलीफदार चीज़ को हटाना है. जज़ाकल्लाह.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. अल हया मिनल ईमान. हया ईमान का हिस्सा है. इसी तरह अल्लाह के तमाम नबियों पर ईमान रखना, क़यामत के दिन दोबारा उठाए जाने पर ईमान रखना, अच्छी बुरी तकदीर पर ईमान रखना एक ईमान का हिस्सा है. अल्लाह रब्बुल आलमीन पर तवक्कुल रखना भी ईमान का हिस्सा है. इसी तरह रास्ते से तकलीफदार चीज़ हटाना भी एक ईमान का हिस्सा है. जैसे कि पत्थर या कांच का टुकड़ा लकड़ी हटा देना चाहिए. जैसे कि हमारा ईमान मुकम्मल होता है और सवाब भी मिलता है. जज़ाकल्लाह. This is math symbols.
I am explain will noise pollution. Noise is generally regarded as an sound which produce unpleasant effect on the area. Sound becomes unwanted when it either interfere with normal activities such as sleeping, conversation, or disturbs or diminishes one quality of life. Generally, noise is produced by big trucks, vehicles, and motorbikes on. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Mashkura. I am studying in 8th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am very glad to welcome you to our school exhibition. Now I am explaining about latitudes and longitudes. How do we understand the location of a place, distance and direction between places? In order to understand the relation between different places, the equator is 0 degrees, the longest line of latitude known as the Great Circle. Its measures is 0 degree. Teacher, and I am from 8th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. I am very glad to welcome you to our school exhibition. Now I will explain about parts of speech. Noun, name of a person, place, animal or thing. Example, bird, girl, diya, etc. Pronoun, takes the place of a noun to avoid repetition. Example, she, he, they, we, etc. Verb, word that express an action. Example, run, jump, walk, etc. Adverb, a word that modify a verb, adjective or another adverb. Example, quickly, gently, carefully, etc.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Asma Siddiqa. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I will our school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today I will explain about Earth's interior layers. Our planet Earth is more than 4.6 billion years old and still in the process of changing. Man is in quest of understanding these changes and eager to know more about the inside of the Earth. What is inside the Earth is still a mystery for a man. The Earth's interior is classified into 3 main layers. They are the crust, the mantle and the core. The crust is divided into 2 sub-layers. The outer
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asma Siddiqa.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Tabassum.
We are from 8th standard. Today our school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today I will explain about periodic table.
I am studying 8th standard. Our school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic name is, as we know about the periodic table, our elements.
The periodic table is a chart that organizes chemical elements by atomic number. The atomic number is the number of protons in an atom's nucleus. Aluminium.
Its symbol is
Al. Al. This is buzzing. It is the correct answer. In 1869, the Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev created the framework that became the modern periodic table.
First, we know about the hydrogen. Hydrogen, its symbol is H. Hydrogen, the lightest element and a key component of cryogenic hydrogen, is used in some fuel cells and transport vehicles. Then, helium.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम अल्फिया तहरीन है। मैं 8वीं जमात के तालिब इल्म हूँ। मेरे स्कूल का नाम किड्स कॉन्वेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल है। मेरे टॉपिक का नाम अस्हाबुल फील का वाक़या हुज़ूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की विलादत से पहले तकरीबन 50 या 55 दिन पहले पेश आया था कि कुरान मजीद में पूरी तफसील है। आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। शुरू करें अल्लाह का नाम लेकर जो बड़ा मेहरबान और निहायत रहम वाला है। अलम तरा कैफ फ़अल रब्बुका बिअस्हाबिल फील। क्या तुमने नहीं देखा कि तुम्हारे रब ने हाथी वालों के साथ क्या किया? अलम यजअल कैदहुम फी तज़लील।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sana Mohammadi. I am studying in 4th standard. My topic name is distillation. Distillation is a process of distillation or forward evaporation and condensation. Prepare a salt solution in a round bottom flask. Close it with a one hole cord. Keep the other end in a water. Keep the other end in a water flask. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ayan. My friend name is Sheikh Subhan. I am studying in 7th standard and my school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today we are presenting about polygon and its types. Polygon is a two-dimensional shape with straight sides that meet at their endpoint. The example of polygon are triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon. Triangle, it is a two-dimensional shape with three sides, three angles. It is a basic shape in geometry. Pentagon, it is a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles. Square, it has 4 sides of equal length and all 4 angles are also equal. Hexagon, it is a two-dimensional shape with 6 sides and 6 angles. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Riazuddin. I am studying in 7th standard. I am going to present my innovative part integrated project for science was a water treatment plant. We all have wondered at one point where does the water. I have used for this project plastic basin, batteries, plastic boxes, charcoal from both chart paper, cotton and to show the different filtration process. I have used stones, gravel, charcoal, sand, it entire process that in factories where does wastewater roasted in purified water. Assalamualaikum. I am Bushra Fatima.
I am Zainab Fatima.
We are studying in 8th standard and our school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. We are very glad to welcome you to in our school exhibition. Today we are explaining about the eye. Let us understand how our eyes works.
Now let's first us understand the part of an eye and then see how our eyes works. There are many structures in an eye that work together to create an image. The first is the cornea. This outer layer is called the cornea. Next comes the iris. Iris is a dark ring-like structure and the colorful part of the eye. This blue ring-like structure is called the iris. A person's eye color depends on the color of the iris. Some have brown eyes, some have green eyes, etc. And this dark portion that you see here is called the pupil. This pupil controls the amount of light that enters our eyes. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Neha Kausar. I am studying in 8th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic name is laws of exponent. Power of a product rule. Bracket A, B, bracket close, power M is equals to A power M into B power M. Power of a power rule. Bracket A power M, bracket close, N is equals to A power M N. 0 exponent rule. Rule A power 0 is equals to 1.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Subaira Fatima. I am studying in 9th class and my school name is Kids Convent English Medium School.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Namira Tazmin. I am studying in 9th class. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today I am explaining about types of polygon. Polygon is a plane figure enclosed by line segment called side. Polygon is a two-dimensional. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Has no diagonal. Sum of interior angle is 180 degree.
My name is Abdul Rashid. Kids Convent English Medium School. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Fazal. My school name is Convent English Medium School. 1 year 65 days. 1 year 12th month. 1 week 7 days. 1 day 24 years. 1 year 60 minutes. 1 minute 60 seconds.
A cobra is a venomous snake primarily found in Asia and Africa. Cannot for its distending head formed by expanding the ribs in it at their attackers. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Myself Sada Sada from class 6 standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today I will explain about cobra. Key points about cobra. Distinguished features: the ability to flatten by their neck into a hood when threatened. Tropical regions of Asia and Africa. Diet primarily small mammals, birds, lizards, frogs and other snakes depending on the species.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mona Raman. I am speaking words in max. Addition, add, sum and plus increase. Subscription, minus, subscribe, reduce.
My name is Rita Jasmine from class 6 standard. Today I will explain about skeleton system. This framework is called skeleton system. Feel the bones in your forearm, upper arm, lower legs and upper legs. Try to find the number of bones in each part of. Similarly, feel the bones in your ankle and knee joint. Bend your finger. It is made up of several bones called carpals. The chest bone. We see that the ribs are curiously bent and the joints are the chest bone and the backbone together to form a box. They are called ribcage. There are 12 ribcage in each side of a chest. Some important integral part of our body like protein inside the cage.
And I am from 4th standard. My topic name is Sar Satyagraha Movement. Gandhiji was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. Born of Hindu Moor family. His father Karamchand Gandhi was the chief minister of Porbandar. His mother was Putli. By fourth wife he married Kasturba Gandhi in 1883 and they had 4 sons dead on assassinated on January 30, 1948 in New Delhi.
वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. मेरा नाम माहिरा है और मैं 4th क्लास की स्टूडेंट हूँ. मेरे स्कूल का नाम किड्स कॉन्वेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल है. मेरा टॉपिक नेम हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम की स्टोरी है. फिरौन एक जालिम बादशाह था और बनी इसराइल पर तरह तरह के जुल्म करता था और खुदा होने का दावा करता था. हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम को अल्लाह ने हुक्म दिया कि फिरौन को तौहीद फरमाते रहे, लेकिन फिरौन अपनी हरकतों से बाज ना आया और जुल्म करने लगा. हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम अल्लाह के हुक्म से अपनी कौम के साथ मिस्र की तरफ निकले. फिरौन भी अपने लश्कर के साथ मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम के कौम को कत्ल करने के लिए उनके पीछे चला गया. आगे दरियाए अहमर और पीछे फिरौन का लश्कर था. फिर अल्लाह ने मूसा को हुक्म दिया कि फिरौन नेशनल सिंबल्स ऑफ इंडिया राष्ट्रीय मरा आलदमरा राष्ट्रीय हाडू वंदे मातरम राष्ट्रीय जल चक्कर प्राणे डॉल्फिन राष्ट्रीय ध्वज त्रिवर्ण ध्वज राष्ट्रीय सरनाथना नाल्को तलया सिन्हा राष्ट्रीय नदी गंगा नदी राष्ट्रीय हाडू प्राणे बंगाड़ा हुई. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abu Talha from class 3rd standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today my topic is noun and verb. Noun and verb. The noun is a name of person, place, animal, thing, etc. Example Rahul, book, cat, school. My name is Muhammad Nazir from 4th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic name is Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam अल्लाह ताला के भेजे गए रसूल और
उन्होंने 950 साल तक लोगों को तौहीद की दावत दी, लेकिन उन्होंने उनकी बात नहीं मानी और ईमान ना लाए। फिर हजरत नूह अलैहिस्सलाम अल्लाह ताला से ये दुआ की वो इस कौम के एक भी शख्स को ना छोड़े। फिर हजरत नूह अलैहिस्सलाम
My name is Saqib. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic name is Miracles of Allah. अबाबिल के जरिए अल्लाह की मदद। यमन और अफसा का बादशाह अब्राहम ने जब लोगों को बैतुल्लाह का हज करते हुए देखा तो अपना इबादत खाना बनाया और लोगों को बैतुल्लाह के बजाय उस इबादत खाने में एक दावत दी, लेकिन लोगों ने इनकार किया। इस बार अब्राहम बहुत गुस्से में आकर काबा को तोड़ने के इरादे से अपनी फौज को लेकर काबा पर हमला किया। इसके पास एक महमूद नामी ताकतवर हाथी था जो बहुत ताकतवर था, लेकिन इसको काबा की तरफ लाया जाता तो वो बैठ जाता। अल्लाह ने अबाबिल जैसे छोटे से परिंदे के जरिए उस खतरनाक फौज को खत्म किया। अबाबिल के पास 3 कंकड़ थे, एक चोंच में तो पैर थे, जिस भी शख्स पर वो कंकड़ पड़ता वो हलाक हो जाता। School. My topic name is Pillars of Islam. Pillars of Islam. हजरत अब्दुल्लाह बिन उमर बिन खत्ताब रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु से मरवी है कि इन्होंने रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को फरमाते हुए सुना कि इस्लाम के बुनियादी पांच चीजों पर है। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम है साकिब, मैं 5th स्टैंडर्ड में हूँ। ये वो एनिमल्स है जिनका नाम कुरान में मौजूद है, जैसे कि वेल को ऊँट के नाम से जिक्र किया गया है, जैसे कि मंकी को कलबुन के नाम से जिक्र। अस्सलामुअलैकुम, माय नेम इज जवेरिया अंजुम फ्रॉम क्लास 3rd स्टैंडर्ड। माय स्कूल नेम इज किड्स कॉन्वेंट इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल। My topic name is teeth cleaner. The teeth at the back of the mouth, broader than the premolars. They are useless for grinding the food. They are called teeth or molars. There are 6 molars in each. Thank you. My name is Mohammad Jasir. I am studying in 3rd class. My school name is Kids Convent LPS English Medium School. My topic name is teeth cleaner. All these teeth are not of the same shape and size. They have different function to perform. Their shape and size depend on their function. अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम आहिल शेख है और मैं 5वीं जमात में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मेरे मॉडल का नाम सम फूड मेंशन इन कुरान। फिग यानी अंजीर। अंजीर को उर्दू में तीनून कहते हैं। डेट्स यानी खजूर को उर्दू में नखलून कहते हैं। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। My name is Mohammad Arhan Sadat. From class 3rd standard, my school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. Today my topic is states and capitals. If I am correctly matching states and capitals, then bulb will glowing. Example, Karnataka, Bangalore, bulb is glowing. My name is Danish. I am in 2nd standard. My topic name is days or weeks in year. There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Zunara Tahrim. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Kids Convent English Medium School. My topic name is computer. Mouse. The mouse is an input device through which we can enter in computer. It is also called as pointing to. Device have 2 buttons on. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಇವರು ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ಇವರು ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವಿಕ್ರಗೋಕರ್, ಇವರು ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಇವರು ದ ರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವರು ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬ.